So guys, definitely stick around to the end of the video because I'm giving away a sealed copy of Spider-Man for PlayStation 4. But you gotta stay tuned to the end of the video to figure out how to win it. So guys, we finally have a proper current gen Spider-Man game. I'm so excited. It's made by Insomniac, so the great people that make Infamous, stuff like that. I know it's gonna be great. I've played this game for a little bit so far, but best of all, I managed to get my hands on the limited edition Spider-Man PS4 Pro console. I'm loving it. First time I've played PS4 in HDR. First time I've played the PS4 in like 4K. Loving it. I was gonna do an unboxing, but honestly, I was just so excited to play this game. And sometimes tech YouTubers just need to learn to have fun, not treat every single thing as an unboxing or a video. But now that I've gotten to experience this thing for myself, I do wanna share it with you guys now. Here is the box that I unboxed already. This is just like really cheap cardboard. Like there's not really much reason to save it. But the best thing is the PlayStation 4 and the controller. So that's what the controller looks like. Obviously they match. And to complement my setup, I have two Hue Lights behind the TV. You can see it a little bit. We have red on this side and blue on this side. I think it just gives it a good contrast with the red PlayStation. We have the blue light behind it. And of course we have my neon light Flamingo, which doesn't really play in the Spider-Man too much, but neon lights do kind of tie into like New York, and that's what Spider-Man's about. So I think that's great there. Then I have the red Philips Hue bulb behind the Flamingo. I think it looks great. And then behind me, I have a Polk soundbar with Alexa built in. It has a wireless subwoofer as well. So it's got a little bit of bass to it. And I love that it has Alexa built in, so I can tell it to crank up the volume while I'm playing without touching the remote. Alexa, turn volume to 50%. Alexa, change office lights color to red. Alexa, change office light color to silver. Alexa, volume 5%. So what I really love about this Polk command bar as part of this setup, like I don't need any other smart device. It's built right into my sound bar, which I already needed for this setup. So it's just really great. And no, this video isn't sponsored by Polk. They sent me this soundbar to review, and I really like it so far. And I just wanted to mention it in this setup really quick. Definitely check one out if you want to. I will have links in the description below. And so guys, the purpose of me making this video wasn't to show off my setup. It's to finally give you guys a giveaway. It's been a long time. I feel like the last time I did a giveaway was probably around 40,000 subscribers. So yeah. I was dumb. I already bought the digital version of this game. Then I went out and bought the limited edition PlayStation 4. It came with Spider-Man. So I have it right here, unsealed. It says, not for resale, but I'm not reselling it, I'm giving it away. So all you gotta do to enter this giveaway, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the link to my Twitter. And I have more instructions up there. It's really just to ensure this gets given to someone that actually can benefit from it. So the other rules is go to Twitter, and I need you to like the post, retweet, and reply with a selfie of you and your PlayStation 4. So what I want to do is give this to someone that has a PlayStation 4, not to just some random person that probably doesn't have a PlayStation 4, or someone that's just going to win it to resell it. I want like a genuine like subscriber and viewer to benefit from this. So that's why this giveaway is a little bit a bigger pain in the butt. You have to take a picture of yourself, but it will be worth it because you could win a Spider-Man. I'm having a blast playing this game. I would definitely like show you guys me playing this, but honestly, I want to enjoy it for myself. I don't want this to be a gaming channel because I enjoy games, and I want that to be like my time to myself. Hopefully you guys can appreciate that. But what I can say so far, I've only played through a few missions and it's been so much fun. I don't want to spoil anything, but it's already hinted at some of the bad guys we're going to encounter. The suits are crazy. Like I have the Iron Spider suit from the Avengers. That was a pre-order bonus, so that's really cool as well. I'm loving the controller. I'm loving a PlayStation 4 Pro because I've had the original like since 2013. It's so disgusting. Like you can like see the dust like inside it. Yeah. So this is a long overdue upgrade for me. I'm really excited, as you can tell. Don't forget, enter the giveaway before you leave. And I hope you guys have a great day. See you later. Bye.